Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Medyo matagal na rin ako hindi nag-upload ng video kasi tinatamad yung lola nyo. So, for today's video, magluluto tayo ng chop suey na walay sahog. Ang pagkaon sa mga pobreng alindahaw. Anyways, let's get started!
I've been hurt and betrayed. Whole life's been turned around. My world's up in flames. He's loving you, and I'm hating him. He's got my baby, he's got my friend. Didn't think you'd ever leave me. I never dreamed it would end. He's loving you, I'm hating him. I've been out crying, walking in the rain, sinking in quicksand, calling out your name. You really took me by surprise, girl. I'll probably never be the same. I've got my memories, that's all that remains. He's loving you, and I'm hating him. He's got my baby, he's got my friend. I didn't think you'd ever